Greetings to everyone who has visited this channel. Let me begin by saying that I completely understand your current situation. You are stuck on the Google account verification screen on your Samsung smartphone, and you are desperately looking for a way to bypass this lock, preferably without using a computer. I want to reassure you, not long ago, I was in exactly the same situation. As they say, I had to roll up my sleeves and seriously work on solving this problem. In the end, I found a working method and successfully bypassed the FRP lock. Today, I'm going to share this method with you. If you have any questions during the process, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to help. I understand that many of you are not experts in this field, so my method is specifically designed for ordinary phone users who do not have special technical knowledge. Yes, the situation is frustrating, especially considering that your device is running Android 16. It's important to mention that older Android versions had many so-called tricks for bypassing FRP. For example, people widely used TalkBack or Google Keyboard for this purpose. However, on Android 16, those old methods no longer work at all. I strongly recommend that you do not waste your time watching videos or reading articles that promote these outdated techniques. The biggest obstacle is the security feature implemented by Google. It prevents applications installed outside the official Google Play Store from receiving the permissions they need to function. This directly blocks almost all old manual bypass methods. Now let me explain how I solved this problem. I used the free Chinese AI called DeepSeek. Why DeepSeek specifically? Because other AI systems, such as ChatGPT, are not allowed to explain FRP bypass methods. I simply wrote to DeepSeek, how can I bypass FRP on my phone, and specified my Samsung model. It offered several possible solutions. I selected the option that seemed the easiest for an average user and asked, show me a step-by-step guide for this method. DeepSeek explained everything step by step. From there, my task was simply to follow the instructions. If I ran into difficulties at any stage or something did not work correctly, I just took a screenshot of the screen and sent it to DeepSeek. The AI analyzed the image and immediately provided a solution for fixing the issue. I could have recorded a video showing the entire process, but there is one important reason why I do not do that. The method that works today may become useless within a month. Samsung closes these loopholes very quickly whenever people discover them. But DeepSeek will always know the latest bypass methods because the AI is constantly updated with new information. By the way, with the help of the same DeepSeek AI, I also repaired my old iPhone. A repair center told me that the phone was beyond repair and should simply be thrown away, but DeepSeek helped me find a solution, and the phone started working again. Thank you for your attention. I am always